Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make collard greens and cabbage using an easy method. First, thoroughly wash your collard greens and cabbage under cold, running water to remove any dirt. Next, carefully remove the tough stems from the collard greens. Then, chop both the collard greens and cabbage into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. Finally, gather all your ingredients, including your preferred smoked meat and seasonings, to ensure a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build that foundational flavor. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics until the onion turns translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, add 1 pound of your chosen smoked meat, such as ham hocks or smoked turkey, and brown it for about 10 minutes to deepen the flavor. It's time to add our star ingredients. First, add the chopped collard greens to the pot. They will seem like a lot, but they cook down significantly. Pour in about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Bring it to a simmer, then cover and cook for about 30 minutes before introducing the cabbage. Almost there. After the collard greens have cooked for 30 minutes, add the chopped cabbage to the pot. Stir everything together gently. Continue to simmer, covered, for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until both the collard greens and cabbage are tender to your liking but still have a slight bite. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Serve your delicious, easy collard greens and cabbage warm as a hearty side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.